Chit, Shakti Prakriya Pranayama. Chit means the consciousness, the awareness. Shakti means energy or power. Prakriya means to bring forth, process, or ceremony. So this pranayama will bring out the power of consciousness, the power of awareness within you.
Benefits of this pranayama are as follows. It clears the mind and opens up the energy system and consciousness, brings strength and awareness into the whole body, strengthens and cures ailments of mind and body, oxygenates body and improves blood circulation, prepares for deeper and more calmer pranayama techniques, helps cure depression, increases immunity and vitality, and is great for detox. Stimulates all systems in the body, like the metabolism, cardiovascular system, nervous system, etc. Creates focused awareness and settles the mind, and boosts your energy levels and enhances willpower. Please be aware of following precautions. If you had a recent operation in the torso or brain surgery, if you have high blood pressure, serious heart problems, when you're pregnant for longer than 5 months, or if you suffer under epileptic attacks.
This pranayama is a very powerful, dynamic energy breathing technique. It will open up all the different systems in the body and it will unblock the energy flow of body, mind, emotions. Just let everything happen. Just be in the flow. Let the thinking, the willing, the feeling, all your desires, just let it happen. Just stay connected and calm down the whole system. It will bring you more awareness, more focus, and more energy in daily life. Learn how to connect with your higher self. Bring awareness into your whole being and just feel your body and understand your true nature. I'll show you a quick demonstration of this pranayama. So you inhale, exhale, inhale, bring your arms up, lengthen it out, and as you exhale, you push the air out of your belly, bring your arms down and make fists, like this. At your last inhalation, you raise up your arms and slowly, with your exhalation, bring them down on your knees. We do 3 rounds of this breathing. First round we do 20 breaths, second round 30, the fourth round 40 breaths. Go with your own pace. Not at any point you should feel any discomfort. You should never be out of breath. You just see how far you can go. If you can go only 10, 15, 20, that's completely fine. Everything is okay. You just see how far you can go. After the breathing, we do a short meditation for a couple of minutes just to tune in, connect your body and mind, and be ready for life. And I highly recommend you to do, before you do any breathing, just do a gentle warm-up. A few stretches for 1-2 minutes. Rotate your head, your shoulders, open up your body, your mind, the air channels. You can also check out this video for some techniques.
Okay, now find yourself in a comfortable sitting position. Use a pillow if needed so your hips are above your knees. Take a few deep breaths into the nose as you inhale. Feel the expansion in the belly all the way up to the top parts of your lungs. And with your exhalation, you let go. Find your own rhythm and relax your body completely. Okay, round number 1, 20 breaths. Inhale all the way up and exhale, let go. In and out. Pump everything out, all the blockages, all the emotions. 10 more breaths. Three, 2, 1. And arms up and slowly let go. Place your hands on your knees. You can perform Gyan or Chin Mudra and relax your body. Feel the sensations, the blood flow in your chest, in your arms, in your hands. And find your own breathing rhythm. There's no rush, just acceptance. Bring awareness, bring your consciousness into your breathing. Round number 2. 30 breaths. Inhale, slowly come up with your hands. Exhale, let go. "20 more. Give everything you got. Push out all the unnecessary thoughts, emotions, prana, energy. 10 more breaths. 5, 3, 2, 1. And let go. Slowly bring your arms back to your knees. Center yourself. Bring the awareness to the breathing. Find your own breathing rhythm and make the breathing as soft as you can. Without putting so much effort to the breathing anymore. And just let everything settle, let everything happen. Let the technique do its job. Make your breathing even softer and calmer, and maybe not so deep anymore. Okay, round number 3, 40 breaths. Inhale, bring your hands up. Exhale and go. 30 breaths. "20. And really make use of this power. Feel the flow, feel the energy. In and out, in and out. Okay, last 10 breaths. Everything you got. Get it all out. 3, 2, 1. Arms up and slowly letting go. Place your hands on your knees and relax your breathing. Find your own breathing rhythm again. Your spine straight, your shoulders relaxed, your chest, your belly, your arms, your hands, your sitting muscles, your face muscles, all completely relaxed. And give it a gently smile on the lips. Wonderful. And feel how the breath is settling. Feel the energy, feel the blood flow in your chest, in your upper arms, lower arms, in your hands, fingertips. And accept whatever you feel. If it's any kind of discomfort or it feels completely amazing and you feel energized and calm at the same time, whatever it is, just accept it. Bring the awareness in the present moment and make the breathing as calm as possible. Slow, calm, and not so deep breaths. By softening your breathing, you also will soften your mind. By controlling the breath means to control the mind. Your whole being, fully aware, just focus on your breathing. Feel the calmness. Feel, experience how prana flows into your system, energizes your whole being. With each inhalation and exhalation, you go deeper and deeper. And now I want you to just let go of the breathing completely, becoming the doer and the observer simultaneously. There's no need to control. Just let go of the breathing and let everything happen. For some it might be easy, letting go of the breath. For some it's a little bit more difficult, but this is the success of pranayama. Here the real practice begins. When you calm down, when you really stop the breathing, just give up of control. Let everything happen. Letting go of the breath means letting go of the mind. You are in control. Wonderful. Just relax your breathing and go deep. Slowly move your fingers, your hands, your shoulders. Just bring some movement in your body. Rub your palms together, make them very hot, and place one hand on the heart and the other hand on your belly button. And again, focus on your breathing deep into the belly, all the way up to the diaphragm, into the top parts of your lungs. Connect with your breathing. Again, rub your hands together and place them over your eyelids and over your forehead. And now look deeply into yourself. What do you see? What do you experience? Calm down the mind. See the connectedness, the spaciousness within. Now slowly massage your eyelids, your forehead, your face, your skull, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your abdominal area, your back, your upper arms, lower arms, hands on both sides, and your legs. Namaste.